You are staring at a massive, grease-covered gas chainsaw just to trim one single branch hanging over your fence. It feels ridiculous. It is total overkill. That is exactly why these viral mini power saws are taking over every backyard right now. Everyone wants the power without the backache of a heavy engine. The Wood Ranger mini saw is the poster child for this new wave of portable yard tools. It is tiny. It is cordless. You can hold it in one hand like a high-tech gadget. But do not let that small size fool you into thinking it is just a toy. For light yard work, this thing is surprisingly quick. It handles branches and small logs with an energy that catches you off guard. There is no gas to mix. There is no pull cord to fight with, until your shoulder aches. You just pop in a battery and start cutting. It is the ultimate tool for those quick pruning sessions, where you just want to get the job done and get back inside. The battery gives you about 30 to 60 minutes of runtime. That might sound short, but think about how many small branches you can drop in 30 minutes. It is plenty for a standard backyard cleanup. However, there is a very clear ceiling to what this little guy can accomplish. If you try to take down a thick, old tree, you are going to run into trouble. The motor will struggle. The chain might bind. It is designed for casual use, not for clearing a forest. You have to respect those limits. It feels a bit budget-oriented. Let's be honest about the build quality. It is not something a professional would rely on every single day. It is a handy tool for the weekend homeowner. Some users have mentioned the motor getting tired after a few months of heavy use. The chain tensioning system is also fairly basic. You will find yourself stopping to tighten things up every now and then. That is just part of the experience with these compact designs. But the safety features are actually solid. You get a trigger lock and a handguard. This is vital. A small blade is still a very sharp blade. The setup process is remarkably simple even for a total beginner. You just lay the chain over the guide bar. You must make sure those teeth are facing the right way. If you put it on backward, you will just be polishing the wood instead of cutting it. Then you slide the bar onto the unit and tighten the cover. Check that tension carefully. It should be snug but still move smoothly when you pull it by hand. Some of these models have a small oil reservoir. Fill that up to keep the friction low and the cutting smooth. Once the battery clicks into place, you are good to go. Give it a short test spin just to hear the motor. It feels light in the hand. It is almost like using a heavy-duty kitchen appliance. But it has enough bite to make your yard look professional in a fraction of the time. It is all about your expectations. If you want a heavy-duty monster, keep looking. If you want to clear some brush without a massive production, this is a winner. It is fast. It is convenient. It makes yard work feel like less of a chore and more of a quick task. Just keep a spare battery ready if you have a big pile of branches. Otherwise, enjoy the freedom of a tool that fits in your drawer but cuts like a beast. It is about working smarter and keeping your shed clutter-free while you do it.